Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 BAST 3D printer. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. Number 5. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. Meet the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D printer, a fully automatic, ultra-fast Core XY 3D printer designed for beginners and pros who want speed and precision in one compact machine. Priced at around $239, this printer delivers premium-level features like auto-leveling and 600 mm per second speed, making it one of the best value high-speed 3D printers in its class. Ultra-fast printing speed up to 600 mm per second. Fully automatic bed leveling for hassle-free setup. High-temp 280 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder. Core XY all-metal frame for stability and accuracy. 3-second quick-release detachable nozzle. Build volume, 220 by 220 by 220 mm. Smart, beginner-friendly operation. Strong metal plus PC build for durability. Pros. Extremely fast printing speed. Easy setup with auto-leveling. Solid build quality for the price. Great for beginners and hobbyists. Quick nozzle swapping system. Cons. Limited build size for larger projects. High-speed printing may need tuning for best quality. Not the quietest during max speed operation. Number 4. Creality K2 SE 3D printer. Meet the Creality K2 SE 3D printer, a high-speed, smart Core XY style printer built for fast, precise, and multicolor-ready 3D printing performance. Priced at around $299. The K2 SE offers premium features like 500 mm per second speed, auto-leveling, and multicolor support, making it a strong value for creators and makers. High-speed printing up to 500 mm per second. Supports multicolor printing, CFS system ready. Fully automatic bed leveling. Direct drive extruder for flexible and detailed prints. Solid all-metal frame for stability. Quick swap nozzle system for easy maintenance. Build volume, 220 by 215 by 245 mm. Designed for smooth, reliable, everyday printing. Pros. Very fast printing performance. Multicolor printing support, with CFS. Strong and stable metal build. Easy setup with auto-leveling. User-friendly maintenance. Cons. Multicolor system may require extra accessories. Slight learning curve for beginners. Not ideal for very large prints. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v3 Plus 3D printer. Meet the Creality Ender 3v3 Plus 3D printer, a next-gen high-speed Core XZ printer built for faster, smoother, and more precise 3D printing. Priced at around $378. This printer brings flagship-level speed and stability with auto-leveling and a large build volume, making it a solid upgrade for serious makers. Ultra-fast printing up to 600 mm per second. Fully automatic bed leveling system. Direct drive extruder for better flexibility and detail. Core XZ motion system for extra stability and speed. Large build size, 11.8 by 11.8 by 13.0 inches. Stable all-metal frame construction. Tri-metal nozzle for high durability and better heat handling. Designed for smooth, high-quality printing at speed. Pros. Extremely fast Core XZ performance. Large print volume for bigger projects. Strong, stable metal build. Easy auto-leveling setup. Great print quality at high speed. Cons. Higher price than entry-level printers. Can be noisy at full speed. Requires tuning for best results on complex prints. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D printer. Meet the Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D printer, a fast, beginner-friendly upgrade printer designed for smooth, reliable everyday 3D printing. Priced at around $219, this is one of the best budget-friendly upgraded Ender printers, offering auto-leveling and high-speed performance at a very affordable cost. Print speed up to 250 mm per second. CR Touch Automatic Bed Leveling. Sprite Direct Drive Extruder for flexible filament support. Dual Z-axis system for better stability and precision. Auto filament loading for easier setup. Print size, 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches. Supports PLA, PTG, and TPU 95A. Simple setup, perfect for beginners and hobby users. Pros. Very affordable entry-level upgraded printer. Easy auto leveling system. Good support for flexible filaments, TPU. Stable dual Z-axis design. Beginner-friendly operation. Cons. Smaller build volume compared to higher-end models. Not ideal for ultra-fast professional production. Limited advanced customization features. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. Meet the Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer, a fast, beginner-friendly desktop 3D printer built for smooth and reliable printing. Priced at just $186.15, this is one of the most affordable upgraded 3D printers with auto-leveling and high-speed performance. Perfect for beginners and hobby makers. High-speed printing up to 250 mm per second. CR Touch Automatic Bed Leveling. Sprite Direct Drive Extruder for flexible filaments. Dual Z-axis for better stability and precision. Auto filament loading system. Print size, 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches. Easy assembly, beginner-friendly setup. Lightweight aluminum frame design. Pros. Very affordable price. Easy setup and beginner-friendly. Reliable auto-leveling system. Good print quality for the price. Supports flexible filaments. Cons. Small build volume. Not designed for professional high-end production. Limited advanced features compared to premium models. If you want to start 3D printing or upgrade your setup, this is a great budget choice. Check the link in the description for the best price. Like the video if it helped. Subscribe for more 3D printer reviews and comparisons.